Are you struggling to customize the appearance of the EditText select handle in landscape mode? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and today we're going to help you solve it. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you follow a guide and things just don't work as expected. It can feel like you're missing something obvious, but don't worry, we're here to figure it out together. Let's dive into the specific issue at hand. One user reached out saying they followed a thread on Stack Overflow about customizing the EditText select handle. They pasted the code into a test activity, but the handles always appear in the default blue color, even in landscape mode. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be going wrong here? Customizing the EditText select handle can be tricky, especially when dealing with different orientations in Android versions. Let's break down the code and see where things might be going awry. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to customize your EditText select handles successfully, and I promise you won't want to miss the final tip. To begin addressing the user's issue with customizing the EditText select handle, we need to ensure that the custom theme is applied correctly. The user should check if the custom theme is set in the Android manifest.xml file. Next, the user should confirm that the drawable resources for the select handles are correctly defined. This includes checking the small rect drawable to ensure it is properly formatted. After confirming the drawable, the user should ensure that the edit text is correctly referencing the custom theme attributes. This can be done by checking the edit text properties in the layout file. Finally, if the user is still facing issues, they should consider testing the application on different devices or emulators. Sometimes, device-specific behavior can affect how themes and styles are applied. Fun fact, did you know that the first Android version was released in 2008? We've come a long way since then, but some quirks still remain. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using the Android I'm Options attribute. By setting it to flag no full screen, you can prevent the editing UI from displaying in full screen mode, which may help with customizing the EditText select handle in landscape orientation. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. An alternative approach suggests that you can define the EditText handle style directly in your styles.xml file. First, create a style named Custom Select Handle, where you specify the drawable for the text select handle and its left and right anchors. Then, apply this style to your edit text by adding the style attribute. The user also notes that while they encountered issues with landscape mode on some devices, it worked fine on others, like tablets. They speculate that Android may handle editing differently in landscape mode on smaller devices, possibly to ensure the text field remains visible. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests a simpler approach. They recommend using the My Custom Theme style directly in the edit text. This style sets the select handle to a drawable called Arrow Down Float, which works perfectly on Nougat. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. One user points out that the code only works in portrait mode, and they believe this is due to an operating system bug. They have reported the issue to Google. However, they mentioned that if there's a workaround using edit text, the reward is still available. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative solution provided by another user is to add an XML attribute to your edit text. Specifically, they suggest using the text color highlight attribute to customize the highlight color. Here's a pro tip. Always test your UI changes on multiple devices and orientations. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to customize your edit text select handles successfully. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Remember, every little detail counts in app development.